going to talk about progress with the Tesla Optimus robot. And this is always fascinating to see. So Elon Musk is saying that it should cost half of a car, but he's not real specific what car. Are we talking a Lamborghini or are we talking about a Nissan Versa? Which one is it going to cost half the price of a Model 3 or a Model X?
I'm going to ask anybody that's listening here, if you've ever seen the movie Real Steel, which is basically set in a future where we've got humanoid robots that box each other. And so I'm wondering, how long do you think it'll be before an Optimus faces off against a figure, the competing humanoid robot? How long will, because we already have, robot, the little ground-based robot combat thing going on. That's been going on for quite a few years now. How long before we see Optimus and figure going at it? Anybody guess? Share it with the comments down below.
Yeah, well, that's kind of interesting. I could see one of these trying to fight a bear. The robot was first announced with a dancer disguised as a robot. Oh, it was actually a human disguised as a robot for visual aid. And now they've actually got the device up and moving around. Previous update, Musk claimed that the Optimus stuff is extremely underrated. Demand could be as high as 10 to 20 billion units.
I watched a video here this week on robots, because they, over in Singapore and some of those Asian countries, they'll have these conferences and conventions where people bring their robots in. And I'd say 3/4 of those robots were focused on pleasure robots to keep within the bounds here. The sales point that kept being repeated in the script over and over and over again were these would be medical helpers, right? So if you got a shortage of nurses and things, because we've had a lot of nurses and actually medical professionals get out of the business because of COVID. One of the nurses I had here a month or so ago, was telling me that she retired from working at the hospital to work at this little clinic just to get some moment of less stress, basically, than what they were going through with COVID. So, these humanoid robots could, that's the niche that they're selling at the moment. Not just pleasure, but also for human health, as health.
Right. No, I get it. Well, there's obviously all kinds of applications for everything like manufacturing, but just being able to do repetitive tasks. And Musk is basically saying that he thinks that they may be able to get production costs down to like $20,000, $25,000. And that's really hard to imagine.
I saw my first service robot. My last time in Seattle, my daughter took us over to a restaurant, and there was this little service robot running around delivering you your water. It would come around and then they'd pull up, and it had a sort of, computer animated face on the screen, kind of a cute little thing. And you would take your water off, and then it would go back and help get other people's orders for them. So yeah, those are pretty out there.
Hi, I'm David with EV World News. If you like this video, then please press the like button. If you like the content and would like to see more videos on electric vehicles, then please hit the subscribe button. If you have some feedback for us, please let us know in the comments. Have a great day.